What's up, Pro R2 seat owners? And that means 22, 24 Gen 1 models and 25 on up Gen 2 model Pro R owners. Polaris did a little changing up with the seat belts on us. So we took our aluminum fuel tank, we roto-molded this design to fit both cars, and we increased the capacity. We took these from 4.5 gallons when they were aluminum. We increased the thickness to 6 millimeters. We're at over 5 gallons now, just over 5 gallons. This is a Kelch clicking locking gas cap now. We've got some new proprietary vent lines in the back. And for those who don't know, these are complete kits. That means a 1.3 gallon per minute external fuel pump, every steel braided line for the vent, 6 AN fuel line, every fitting you need, every plug, switch, harness, zip tie. We got a momentary switch. You push, hold it to transfer fuel. This is as complete as it gets. And this is as good as it gets right here. Easily clear the factory seats. They'll definitely clear those aftermarket seats. We've had PRP seats in this car. Clear no problem. Again, 5+ gallons. You can pick these up, rpmsidebyside.com.